Welcome to Travel with Danny and MJ. I'm Mary Jane.
And I'm Danny. We're traveling the world with just carry-ons and a backpack each.
We're in Echo Park, Buenos Aires. It's a large urban park and it's located right in the heart of the city. You can see in the background one of the buildings. It's dedicated to environmental conservation and education. The park houses native flora and fauna, offering visitors a chance to learn about Argentina's ecosystems and participate in eco-friendly activities. The park covers 50 hectares, although I don't know what that equates to in acres, and features a variety of green spaces, walking paths, and educational exhibits focused on biodiversity and sustainability. And it is beautiful.
So we see there are still some animals. There's a tapir back here. And a giraffe, and what I read is that they were born in captivity, so they're not fit to be returned to the wild, so they will be cared for. And there's ostriches in there too, for their lives here, but there won't be new animals brought in, so the zoo will simply care for these animals for their lifetime. We just left the Eco Park, and this is the Monumento de los Españoles, the monument to the Spanish.
We are in the Japanese garden in Buenos Aires. It was inaugurated in 1967 to honor the visit of Japan's Emperor Akihito, who was then the Crown Prince. The garden was designed and built by the Japanese Argentine Cultural Foundation as a symbol of friendship between Argentina and Japan. Over the years, the garden has been expanded and maintained by the local Japanese community, becoming one of the most significant Japanese gardens outside of Japan.
Come to the botanical gardens here in Buenos Aires, called Carlos Thais. So ladyship having her Evita moment. Now we're in it's called Parque de Rosdal. It's a rose garden park. Just another beautiful park here. It's just park after park in Buenos Aires. It's just gorgeous. Water features of the park. Looks like you can do little pedal boats or boat tours of some sort. That's where you can rent the pedal boats. You're sailing around the lake here.
Going into the Evita Museum now.
We are visiting the Museum of Arte Latinoamérica de Buenos Aires, MALBA. So the Museum of Latin American Art in Buenos Aires. So one of the main important foods to eat here in Buenos Aires is called choripan. And it's basically a chorizo on bread, like a burger, and chimichurri sauce. And we are here at a place called Chori to try it out. So these are the choripan sandwiches. Each one has like some different things, but chorizo is the meat. This one has some special sauce and some tomatoes, and this one has peppers. Looks like some cheese. Alright. I'm gonna try.
I had one bite. Going in for the second.
Here she goes.
Pretty good. Look at the size of it.
You like it?
I'm not sure I got any sausage on that one, but
oh boy.
The other stuff's good.
The inside of chori. We got the. So we're in the Distrito Arcos Premium Outlet Mall. It's just right here near Palermo, in Buenos Aires. It's got lots of shops. Many we know, some we don't. But it's seems high-end outlets. Pretty nice though. Pretty nice place. What do you think of this outlet place?
Very nice. Can't buy anything,
No.
but it's nice to look.
All high-end stuff.
No.
But you just can't buy anything
I
because.
just can't fit anything in anything we own.
Continuing our tour of all the malls in Buenos Aires. So I think this one is called Portal Palermo. So we're in another mall, another shopping center here. This is Alto Palermo Mall, right in the center of the Palermo neighborhood where we're staying. So we went to see a movie here in that one, Captain America. So movies are the same here.
It was good. It was in English, Spanish
English
subtitles.
subtitles.
It was good.
Enjoyed it.
Yep.
Oh, we've been here almost a month and we were missing home. So we found this place that is themed like a New York. It's all New York themed. So we're gonna check it out. It's called Uptown in the Bronx. So a subway tile, advertisements, turnstiles. They really went for the theme. They have like a station board with drinks, a drink menu. A DJ booth that looks like an old maintenance train. Something, say something.
Oh, hello. Welcome to our Argentina Airbnb. This is where we've been staying for the past month. We're in the Palermo neighborhood, which we love. It's awesome. Come see the place. You're in the entryway, kitchen, dining room, and living room, all right here. It's cozy, but it's been really great. We have an upstairs, we'll show you that later. So it's a nice duplex, we're getting our steps. All right, you've seen the dining room, living room, kitchen. Come see this great space. This is like another room for us. So we're on the 6th floor and we have the 7th floor as our bedroom. Come look at this. We are on Calle, or as they say, Calle, Nicaragua. We are surrounded by restaurants, bars, any kind of shop you can think of. So we have walked a lot in this neighborhood. We've enjoyed the patio, sat out, had a glass of wine or two, and thoroughly enjoyed Palermo. I highly recommend it. And so this is our outdoor space. And now coming upstairs for you to see the duplex part of our apartment. This is the bedroom, handy dandy, and look at this. So that whole wall is basically a sliding glass door. Don't step outside. But what's been convenient, a little remote, and you're looking at the office. So it's been a nice view to sit here. We've had loads of storage. And let's put these back up so we can see what's happening. And now we're going to look at the bathroom. Loads of counter space, which has been great. Very comfortable. Full bathroom. All good. And that's the tour. We hope you enjoyed the tour. We look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.
Thanks for traveling with Danny and MJ.
Thanks for traveling with Danny and MJ. We look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.